Hello, my name is Andrew Horton. In this brief 5-minute video, I'm very excited to introduce you to the area of human AI. Whether you're currently an AI researcher or just have an interest in the topic, I believe you need to know about human AI. And I hope this introduction triggers you to consider how human AI can be useful in your life and maybe even motivates you to learn a little bit more. In terms of background, I'm an academic researcher publishing in artificial intelligence, a tech executive focused on AI-driven infrastructure, and an expert in economic decision theory. So what is human AI? It's essentially AI that's built on two main pillars. The first pillar is that AI augments human intelligence. It serves us, not the other way around. The second pillar is that AI algorithms must explicitly incorporate the structural insights of human intelligence. This is what led to my work that introduced the model of CEML, causal economic machine learning. Causal economic machine learning is human AI that builds its algorithms on the model of human intelligence, which is known as causal economic decision theory. Causal economic decision theory incorporates human biases and places central focus on the fundamental principle of causal coupling, which puts cause and effect at the center of all decisions. It allows us to model real-life decisions that cover extended periods of time and require deliberate upfront costs in pursuit of anticipated but uncertain future benefits. Sound familiar? Well, that's the real world, the world that AI researchers have to deal with in practice. And that's why building AI optimization on causal economics makes sense. The major alternatives, expected utility, and even traditional behavioral economics, aren't able to model the real world because they only incorporate single period outcomes that contain either cost or benefit. Expected utility also requires an assumption of complete rationality. But let's go back up to the big picture. Why is human AI really so important? And why is it so urgent right now? It's because as humans, we have an incredible passion to deliver and discover the next big thing. So we've been pursuing AI as its own end, with terms like AGI and SGI, which so casually place AI at the center, not humans. If you're unaware of these terms, AGI stands for Artificial General Intelligence, and SGI stands for Super General Intelligence. These represent more advanced AI capabilities than the current level of narrow AI in which we operate today. But the problem is that in the mindset of traditional AI, and machine learning in particular, human intelligence is just a benchmark to exceed. Nothing more than a ruler, basically. So when we only fit to the data with no structure or process of decision making in mind, we're turning our back on decades of insight into human intelligence. Insight that is literally field tested in the life and death context of survival over a long period of time and captured in the studies of biology, physiology, and behavioral economics, to name a few. So what does human AI look like in practice? There are 4 levels: information AI, task AI, decision AI, and agent AI. I'll give you a very brief description here of each because it may help you envision how human AI could be relevant to you. And let's start with the basic level, information AI. It's the big area of action today. You can see it in the massive presence of generative AI. It's about generating and editing content, and it's helping in many areas of life. Moving a step up the ladder is task AI. This level is exactly as it sounds. AI is trained to perform assigned tasks for humans, reflected in the many popular AI system applications in use today. The third stage of human AI is decision AI, and this involves a real-time use of AI to make personalized predictions and compare alternatives. At the top of the pyramid is agent AI, and these are essentially AI representatives. They go out and perform some autonomous decisions and actions based on a person's preset and ongoing criteria and supervision. So that's what it comes down to, the 4 possible phases of human AI. Personally, I do think the prospect of AI taking over as an all-powerful thing is kind of cool, but in movies and books. In real life, I believe in human AI. So the question becomes, can we as humans actually stay out of AI? We did create it, and I think we'll always have a leg up somehow, but maybe that's just me being human. I hope you found this summary helpful. Let's keep in touch and continue the conversation and follow us for more updates. Have a great day.